Hi beautiful, welcome back to another tutorial video. Who is excited? In today's tutorial we are making use of our mini braids. Remember the last video I posted, I taught you guys how to make mini braids on your head without going to a salon and all. So today we are using the mini braids by adding extensions to make it longer. I don't want to take these braids down. I don't really have time for that, so I'm just going to add extensions and braid it all the way down. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Glory and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you so much. If you've not seen the tutorial video on how I made this mini braids, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so you can easily click on it and watch the video directly. And from the short clip you've seen so far, I know you can tell how you'll be doing this. All you'll be needing is a crochet hook and your extension. So what you'll be doing is taking your crochet hook through your mini braids, then drag your extensions through the braids. That's the loop you've created. So drag your extensions through, cover up your hair using the extensions, place your hair in between the first extension you've added to your hair. Now you can go ahead to add another extension by placing it on top of your head directly, then braid it down. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to let you guys watch this video because I don't really know how best to explain it. I'm just going to let you guys watch it and see for yourself. You don't have to use the exact colors I'm using. You can easily recreate this hairstyle using one color tone or two color tone. Depends on what you actually want for yourself. Remember, I said to use a crochet hook to drag your extensions through your hair. Place a different, like another extension on your head directly. Don't take it through the loop. You can see how I'm placing it. I made this part so slow for you guys to really understand how it's done. Then go ahead to just braid it. Braid all the way down. Place your hair, your natural hair, in between the extensions, so it doesn't show when you are braiding it down. Please do let me know in the comment section if you're enjoying this video. I know if you've watched this particular length, you actually like what you're seeing. That's why you kept watching. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave comments behind in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle out. If you have mini braids on your head and you don't want to take it down and you want to recreate or do something else with it, just watch this video, my love, and do it. Even if you're a beginner and you've never braided your hair yourself, this is how to braid your hair. That's why I made some parts extremely slow for you to be able to see how to braid your hair on your own head. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, and don't forget to have a great week. Bye.